subscribe, and then turn the notification on to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel every day.
Merhaba arkadaşlar. Welcome back. This is the last part of eating phrases. In this video we will learn enjoy your meal. This is not properly cooked. We didn't order. We ordered. I don't eat meat. So be ready and we are going to start now. So you are at a hotel and waiter brought your food and then he says enjoy your meal. In Turkish you can say like this: Afiyet olsun. Afiyet olsun. It means enjoy your meal. And you can use this phrase anytime while eating, in the morning, lunch or dinner. Or maybe you are just eating ice cream with your friend. You can use it anytime. Okay? Now if the food isn't cooked properly and you want to complain, you can say like this: Bu iyi pişmemiş. Bu iyi pişmemiş. Bu iyi pişmemiş. Bu iyi pişmemiş. It means this isn't cooked properly. Oh my god, the food is not cooked properly. Now how will you eat your romantic dinner with your wife or husband? Bu means this. İyi means good. Pişmemiş means isn't cooked. Now it becomes like this: this good isn't cooked. But of course the Turkish grammar is a little bit different. You cannot always translate word by word and learn it. You just need to learn the sentence sometimes or maybe many times. Okay? So it means this isn't cooked properly. Bu iyi pişmemiş. Pişmemiş. Now you were sitting at the hotel and the waiter started to bring foods. And then you suddenly say, we didn't order. We didn't order because you came here only to watch people. Okay, so you can say like this: Biz bunu sipariş etmemiştik. Biz bunu sipariş etmemiştik. Biz bunu sipariş etmemiştik. I'm saying slowly so that you can understand. It means we didn't order this. Biz means we. Bunu means this. Sipariş means order. Etmemiştik means we didn't. It's a little bit complicated grammar stuff. If I explain, then you will say, oh my god, my brain is burning. So I will not explain and you just learn the sentence as it is. Biz bunu sipariş etmemiştik. We didn't order this. And you didn't order that thing, but you ordered something else. And the waiter brought you the wrong food. Then you say, we ordered this, that, whatever you ordered. In Turkish you can say like this: Biz, the things you ordered, then sipariş etmiştik. Biz, the things you ordered, and then sipariş etmiştik. It means we ordered this, that, and the names of the things which you ordered. Okay? Biz means we. Sipariş means order. And etmiştik means we did. Now if you don't like the meat, you can say like this: Et yemiyorum. Et yemiyorum. Et yemiyorum. It means I don't eat meat. What a strange thing. You don't like meat. Wow. Meat are for those who want to build muscles. And I want to build my muscles, so I will eat the meat. Give it to me. So that's all. Keep learning and practicing. And if you have any question, then comment me and I will reply as soon as possible. And like the video and share with others. And subscribe to Language Animated channel for more Turkish lessons. Thanks for watching. İzlediğiniz için teşekkürler.